I'm recording it.
Okay. We have a few controls. On the front is the margins. You just squeeze them, right and left side, and move them to where you want, and that will set your right and left margin for you. Okay. As you're going back, the lever on the left-hand side, on the very, very top. Okay, that's how you move your carriage back. Up here is the indexing control. 1 space, 2 spaces, 3 spaces. That's how many spaces between each line. Okay. This little button over here will let you move the carriage back and forth by hand on the machine. Obviously, you have your platen knobs here. Okay. This button over here on the side does the exact same thing that this one does, just in a different location. What do we forget? Oh, this lever here, this releases the paper. Okay. So when you go to load your paper, okay, you're going to put your paper in. You're gonna release it so it gets caught a little bit. Then you're gonna push it back. You're gonna pull these guys up out of the way. Load your paper in. Push them back down. Okay, and then what you'll do is again you'll pull that forward. You kind of line it up so the paper's even, so it's not going in crooked. And then you pull it back down to the point where you want it to start typing. Okay. When you type on a manual typewriter, it's a snap. If you like sort of mushy, you're going to get kind of mushy print. That's sort of a little, okay. Just keeps holding over. You hold this down for uppercase. It gives you uppercase, lowercase. This even has a shift lock on it that will hold it in uppercase. That's one of the new modern, sorry, okay. Shift lock, and then that one will release it on that side there. These two buttons, this lever here, let's see, on this one, no, this doesn't, okay, this is a locking, is that? That's the locking lever, okay. This button here reverses the ribbon back and forth.
Okay.
Okay.
So when it starts to dry out.
Yeah, it goes to one end. You can reverse the ribbon to the other.
And is it a push button or a turn?
Push button.
Oh, okay.
It'll pop it in the other. You can also crank the ribbon with this here.
Okay.
Okay. It'll actually move the ribbon spools.
Got it.
I gave you a black and red ribbon in it because that's what it came in with. I'm trying to think if this had 3 positions or not. It may not have.
I mean, the basics are good.
This, by the way, is nothing except that. Sort of like a pointer
to
hold where it goes.
And does it return automatically, or do you have to when you?
When you go, you mean you get to the end?
Yeah.
No, it's all by hand.
Okay.
It's all by hand. Yeah. No electric return. It'll move 1 space at a time by itself.
I know how to use a laptop.
Okay. It'll move 1 space at a time. That's pretty much the whole thing.
Okay.
Then the back here, if you're curious what those are your tabs.
Okay.
Okay. Tabs are like if you want to indent. You're at the beginning, you want to indent 5 characters to start off a paragraph.
Okay.
You'd actually adjust these back and forth, like that. Okay. And then you actually have a tab control. All the tough stuff. Let's see, where's the tab on this one? Is that the tab button? Yeah, that's your tab control right there, and we'll go to one of those stops.
Okay.
That just say, your backspace.
Got it.
I'll make your backspace. But that's about the whole thing.
All right.
Space bar.
That's great. Appreciate it. All right.
Appreciate it.
Now, I'm sure my brother appreciates it too when he sees this video.
Okay.